Hello guys, welcome to Deepak Pareek Clips. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is one particular clip from the main episode, the link to which is in the description. Please click on it to watch the full video. And meanwhile you're here, enjoy this clip.
What is required to be a hypnotherapist in this country?
See, the rules constantly change. When I did my 5 levels of hypnotherapy, there are actually multiple levels of hypnotherapy, and it's a very, very, very tough, very rigorous thing. You have to get yourself a certification from पहले CHII होता था, California Hypnosis Institute of India. फिर वो भी divide हो गया and into two, and now there is EKAA, which certifies you to be a hypnotherapist, where they only teach you the hypnotherapy curriculum. There is no need of you to come from any particular. CA can do it, an engineer can do it, anybody can do it. And then when you finish off level 1, level 2, हर एक level पे उनके exams होते हैं. हर एक level पे you have to do cases and you have to show, you have to record, they will take your interview. तो आसान नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने 2 दिन पढ़ लिया हो गया. It's very tough. So that I did. I became a teacher also for hypnotherapy, which I never got the time to practice because I'm very busy doing hypnotherapy cases. Then I did 5 levels of neuro-linguistic programming, NLP. Then I did family constellations, then I did tarot, everything in the field where, you know, मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला तुम ये नहीं पढ़ सकते. तो जिसने भी मुझे बोला ना ये तुम पढ़ सकते हो वो मैंने पढ़ लिया. Whatever is available I used.
So are you that kind of a person who, if I tell you, Kavyal, you can't play cricket, for example. I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying hypothetically, if I tell you, Kavyal, you can't play cricket, would you go and play cricket just to prove me wrong?
No, I'll be like, okay, what else can I play? I don't get into conflicts. You have told me I can't play cricket. I asked you why, and you said because this is just okay, fair. There's something else I can play. I'll go and play that.
But you would logically counter it. You would not be like, नहीं यार ये तो मैं तो खेल सकती हूँ.
नहीं. मैंने ट्राई किया. अगर मैं खेल सकती हूँ तो मैं आपको दिखा दूंगी कि मैं खेल सकती हूँ. And I have learned that over life that there are a lot of MA psychology, PhD psychology people, the ones who are not the judgmental ones, those counselors will themselves come to me and say, Kavyal, I'm stuck here. इधर अब मैं ना हम लोग का कॉग्निटिव वाला काम नहीं चल रहा है. अभी इधर what else can you do? So I have a lot of counselor friends who are actually the qualified, degree qualified guys who will eventually come and say, okay, help me with this. There are a lot of interns who come and say, ये तो आप जो कर रहे हो वो तो हमको सिखाते ही नहीं है कॉलेज में. सिखाते हैं उसमें से तो सब सिर्फ थियोरी होता है. क्लाइंट के साथ कैसे बैठना है, एक्चुअल थेरेपी कैसे करना है, ये सब तो सिखाते ही नहीं है.
What is, if you had to like say explain hypnotherapy to a 5-year-old, how would you explain it?
A 5-year-old is always under the state of hypnosis. If a 5-year-old is watching a cartoon and he's watching Doraemon,
yeah,
and वो अपने दिमाग में वो खुद डोरेमोन है. उसके दिमाग में खुद he has, you know, he can do multiple things or he can become the. So when I say that, you know, just close your eyes and imagine that Doraemon is doing this for you right now. And he's like, yeah, I can imagine this. And I'm like, acha, now imagine that he's doing your homework. Okay, I can imagine. Anything that you can get the child to imagine, you are actually putting him under a state of hypnosis. Okay. I am manipulating certain visuals in your brain. All right? And your brain stores everything in the form of visuals and colors. तो आपके दिमाग में ना सैडनेस भी मैं आपको अगर विजुअलाइज करने में लेके जाऊँ तो सैडनेस भी एक जैसे आएगा कि अच्छा इट लुक्स लाइक अ ब्लू बॉल ऑफ सैडनेस, इट्स फुल ऑफ गैस, ओ माय गॉड इट्स स्पाइकी ऑल्सो. I'm like, okay, alright, let's break it down, let's breathe it out. What can we do? Can we puncture it? Can we laser it? Can we do this? Yeah, we can do that. Okay, do this, and then I will combine EFT, I will combine touch, I will combine energy medicine till that blue ball of sadness is no more there. Or we have transformed it into something. And guess what? When we transform the visual into your head, your energy begins to release itself. तो hypnotherapy is literally me taking you into. लोगों को लगता है that hypnotherapy is past life में लेके जा रहे हैं. वो past life regression होता है. That is also a part of hypnotherapy, which I don't encourage everyone to do. It is not everyone's cup of tea.
Okay.
Okay, because sometimes it can damage you more than it can do you good. लेकिन जो करंट लाइफ का हिप्नोथेरेपी होता है, व्हाट वी कॉल इनर चाइल्ड वर्क, दैट मे बी यू आर बुलीड एट द एज ऑफ 15 इन योर कॉलेज, मे बी यू आर अबैंडन्ड बाय योर गर्लफ्रेंड, मे बी यू आर चीटेड ऑन बाय समबडी, and I will take you right back to that time, and I'm like, all right, Deepak, what happened here? and you'll have a tear rolling down, or you'll have some resistance play up in your body saying, you'll say, I don't want to talk about it. I'm like, okay, sure, don't want to talk about it, don't talk about it. Just tell me how you're feeling. I'm feeling angry. There's a lot of anger. Okay, what does this anger look like? What does it feel like? Acha, let's remove this. Okay, now this girlfriend is in front of you. The 15-year-old you is in front of you. What do you want to say? Can you hold his hand? Can you tell him that, listen, dude, we've moved on. It's 2024. What did this teach you? Oh, it taught me to never trust somebody who showed me red flags before. Great, take that lesson in. What was the advantage of you having this breakup? Oh, I found the love of my life after this. Oh, excellent. So let's throw flowers at this girl who cheated on you because she led you to the next. Yeah, that feels good. Then you can go and, placate the 15-year-old and say, buddy, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of how you've grown. You can see that same instance as a gift now instead of an unresolved issue. Because whatever is unresolved will continue to give you pain. But when you resolve it, when you can get the wisdom from it, then you're just more enriched. That is what hypnotherapy does.
डर है लोगों में हिप्नोसिस को लेके?
हाँ, बिल्कुल है, क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है कि हिप्नोसिस हिप्नोटिज्म है, कि मैं कोई ऐसा पेंडुलम लाऊंगी आपकी आंखों के सामने, ऐसा वो राइट लेफ्ट करेगा और आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि क्या हो रहा है. वो हिप्नोटिज्म है. हम लोग वो नहीं करते. एज हीलर्स वी आर ओनली यूजिंग क्लिनिकल हिप्नोथेरेपी, which is never taking away the control of the client. You are in enough consciousness to even lie to me if you want. You are in enough consciousness to say, I don't want to talk about this. But the only thing I tell the client is, झूठ बोलोगे तो मुझे तो मेरा पैसा मिल रहा है, तुमको क्या मिल रहा है? So it's okay for you to not open up and reveal what you want to hide. Someday when you're ready, maybe you will.
Can you tell if the person is lying?
Yes. Because that's where we can use the NLP techniques of, where your eye is going, whether it's right, left, up, down. That is where the NLP is integrated.
Hello guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, share it around on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, Tinder, Bumble, every single where, because we need that traction. But thank you so much for watching the video, and you will come across every new clip every single day. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys around. Thank you. Cheers.